For a cookie clicker game, we're going to need a score, and we're going to need to add to that score. So I've done a little 3-line program here just to kind of demo what we're doing. So you can see I'll start off with score is 1, I add 1 to it, and then I print out that value, and we can see down here 1 plus 1 does indeed equal 2. We're going to have to use functions though, because we're going to have this clicked function and we're going to have a timer function as well. So I'm going to put this inside a function called add to score, and it's going to do score plus equals 1. And instead of doing score plus equals 1 there, I shall say add to score and just call that function. So it just jumps up to here and does it. And we can see the problem. There's a problem going to happen. I'll just run it and we'll see what it says. It says something about a local variable, blah, blah, blah. So the issue is, while this score exists down here, when you go inside a function, unless you pass it that variable or you make it a global variable, then it doesn't exist inside here. So the clue was right there. What I said, we're going to make it a global score. So what that now means is this score is the same score everywhere inside this function and outside this function. You have to do this inside every function where you're going to be modifying the value of score. And then this should do the 1 plus 1 equals 2. So there are kind of better ways to do this, but for our purposes, a global score variable like this will work just fine.